Ebaju, 34-year-old, and she's also, by the way, a lawyer, and she's very, very known in Soroti district. She's the woman MP there of Soroti. She's also, by the way, a basketballer. She did play basketball yesterday.
Yeah.
So let's wait and see if the two Ugandan MPs can showcase their skills here. Most of these members of parliament actually bring back their racing skills from secondary school, primary school, and also university. But now, it is on your marks, we go. And you can see Honorable Adeke having a look. Honorable Jermaine all the way from Rwanda also having a look. And of course, the two honorables from Kenya.
So it is all about Kenya, Rwanda, and Uganda in this one.
That is it. That is it here. So we are just waiting for the actual start. Adeke right there. And then also Auma Helen. They're being told to come down and get on their marks well. Who will be victorious here? Adeke Ann is a very good runner. We did see her compete really well in the last couple of editions. She did really well. Many actually believe this could be her race, but let's wait and see, because you do have also Akulo Christine.
I want to see whether Mama Busia will walk the talk.
Walking the talk is something else, but she's very fresh. She has not been competing in any race. The honorable member all the way from Rwanda. So we are on our marks.
She seems very focused.
On our marks right now. The focus is the finishing line. You do not look at your colleague. Okay, the white flag is up and we are off. And there goes the race. It's Anne making the charge. And look at Mama Busia flying, but Mama Busia yet again. She's dominating this. She's trying to close in. And does she win this? Oh yes. She's running more to the finishing line. Who crosses first? It's Team Kenya.
Let's see what the judges will decide. Let's see.
An emphatic run from Mama Busia. She's come for the 1,500. And we saw her getting a massage on whichever part of her body that ran this race. And minutes later, she's down here in the 100. 100 is blistering pace. She has put on a great performance.
Well, very good finish coming in from Team Kenya, you have to admit. Mama Busia kicked the engine in, but unfortunately, it was a little late. You can't blame her. She's just come from competing in a 1,500 meter race, and she finishes two, almost close to taking it home.
Very tight finish. I saw the Kenyans getting really ready for this one, and they had lots of focus coming into the 100-meter race. But Mama Busia right there, completing as number 2, and it is also a very big salutation.